Welcome back to Smilez Dishes. Smile, you're in food heaven. Please click the subscribe button, the like button, and share our videos. So breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. Today I will show you how to make the best French toast. In a bowl, add your eggs, heavy cream, salt, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. Your French toast will have lots of flavor. Whisk all of your ingredients until fully incorporated. I'm using thick bread for my French toast. You want to dip your bread into the batter on both sides while dripping off excess liquid and whisk before dipping your next bread. Heat pan on medium heat, add your butter to the pan and cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. Cook your bacon until it's crispy. This is just how I like my bacon, juicy. Delicious French toast. If you make this recipe, tag Smilez Dishes and see y'all soon in my next video.